back to Credit K's YouTube channel, where we talk about business credit, personal credit, how to start businesses, take credit, level up, buy crypto, buy precious metals, buy stocks, everything you do to get you advanced financially. We about that. So let's talk about something today that kind of sparked my attention, that I did a post on Instagram. If you don't follow me on Instagram, follow your boy at Credit K. Anyway, so on Instagram, I dropped a post about the top 5 cryptos going into 2022. And if you know me, you know I'm big on investing in other avenues, not just the traditional ones, but NFTs, DeFi, first gaming. So what I do is take credit and invest in those assets. And so by getting in early on coins that are low right now, you might have to only spend maybe $500 to $1,000, and in turn, 10x, you can make $100,000, sometimes $1 million if you put the $1,000 in seed, at the right time last year. So when people saw that post and saw the earning potential, it was like, man, how do I get started? How do I invest? And I always assumed that everybody was already kind of, knowledgeable about Bitcoin and at least started in that, at least know how to buy Bitcoin and Ethereum. But a lot of people don't have any knowledge about investing. So what I want to do today is talk about how to start a Bitcoin or crypto wallet, and how to fund it, and how to start investing. Very simple. It's not that hard. Follow your boy step by step, and I'm gonna get you there. All right. So in order to start investing in crypto, it's very simple. You need what is called a wallet to actually store your crypto. Each currency has its own address. Guess you can kind of act as a certain slot in your wallet, but we'll kind of go deeper into that. But in order to seriously start investing in crypto, you definitely need what is called a wallet, either a cold storage or warm storage, however you want to call it. Cold storage is actually a physical device that holds the data, which is the cryptocurrency, the digital currency on that device, or a digital wallet, e-wallet, which you store it on your iPhone or mobile device or on your computer. I prefer the digital form, the mobile device form, and that company is called Coinbase. That's I guess probably the number one. I'm not sure if it's the oldest, but definitely the most recognizable and the one that most people use on a daily basis. So definitely check Coinbase out. I'm going to leave a link down below in the description. If you use my Coinbase, use my Coinbase link, you can get $10 of Bitcoin for free. That's right, free Bitcoin to you just for using my link. All right. So next, once you have your wallet, now you don't have to use Coinbase wallet. There's many more out there, Binance. I'm not getting paid by any of these, so use ones that you feel free to use after doing your own research. But I use Coinbase. I know a lot of people hate it. I hate them too at times. They do things that frustrate you. You can't pull your money out when the market rolls up. So your boy Credit K is going to keep it real. I'm going to give you the good and the bad, and I'm not afraid to do that. So make sure that you are, do your research and do what's best for you. It's not financial advice. It's entertainment, telling you how to get what you need to do, or tell you what I would do. So after you get your Coinbase wallet, next you want to fund your wallet. So you have to have money to actually purchase these digital assets. Once you purchase them, then you can store them in your wallet, but you have to actually purchase them with US currency, and then you can convert it over to whatever. And then once you convert it over, you can buy it with other currency. So once you buy Bitcoin, then you can buy other currencies with Bitcoin. But initially, you have to buy something with US currency. So go ahead and hook your bank account up to it. That's why I, decided to use Coinbase. They don't have a direct call in for customer service, but they're a little bit more reputable. So you can kind of do things to get in contact with them if your account is locked or you can't, fund your account or some money gets missing. It's a little more things you can do to feel safe about, getting your money and getting everything settled versus some of these other exchanges that's based overseas. So now that you got your bank account linked or your debit card linked or even your credit card if you find an exchange that allows credit cards, and I'll tell you a little caveat on how to get that taken care of. But once you got your account linked and you fund it, I always say start with the amount that you're comfortable with. If it's $100, if you can start with $100, start with 100. That's probably the minimum I would suggest. $100, start with $1,000 if you can. Minimum want to be about 100, but if you can do more, definitely do more. The reason being that you want to catch these cryptocurrency coins where they're real low. So just throwing in $100 or even $1,000 will get you really paid once they 10x, once they go up, 50 cent, 30, 10, 20 cent from 1 penny, now you got, $1,000 invested. That multiplies real fast, you guys. So definitely take advantage of getting those in at an early time. Now that you have your crypto account funded, you want to start buying the crypto. So search your Coinbase or whatever wallet app you have, search that coin. Now, a lot of these exchanges have fees. Coinbase, the fees are usually around 3 to 5%, depending on the coin. Each coin has a different fee of exchange. Bitcoin is one of the highest ones. So when you buy, spend, $1,000 worth of Bitcoin, buy $1,000 worth of Bitcoin, you may end up paying an extra, $20 to $30 in fees. Now, to avoid that, there's a separate section of Coinbase called Coinbase Pro, where the fees are only like a mere fraction of that. You might only pay 50 cents in fees versus $50. So take advantage of Coinbase Pro if you're gonna be moving money back and forth a lot, or you can just buy on there and then move money over to the regular Coinbase, where it's kind of a little more user friendly and a little bit better to exchange coins and a little bit better to trade with. That's why I suggest Coinbase as well. It's very user friendly, very simple. And a little caveat about Coinbase, they actually give you a lot of free coins as well. They want to teach people and educate people about all the different coins, about the different blockchains. So if you go to Coinbase tutorial, they actually pay you for learning about different coins, and they'll pay you in that coin. I was doing this, when Coinbase was when crypto was in a bear market, and when it's real low, and I was going through those courses, and I got a couple of coins when they was at a fraction of their cost now. And when they doubled, last year, I was able to, make a little bit of money off of free coins. So take advantage now, especially while crypto is down from, its all-time highs when it was a little earlier in 2021, depending on when you're reading this, looking at this video. So take advantage. All right, so now that I got, showing you how to purchase, how to store it, how to purchase it, what to purchase, follow my Instagram. I drop little clues about certain coins I'm into. Definitely Ethereum, the blue chip crypto, Ethereum, Bitcoin. I even throw Litecoin in there as well. It's a very stable coin. Solana, it's a very great coin to get into. These are kind of at their peak right now. All of them run on their own separate blockchain, so they're kind of special and unique in that way. But some of the coins to definitely look out for 2022 are anything that's in the NFT gaming space, Mana, Engine Coin, Gala, Sand. Those are kind of a top 4 in the gaming space. some other ones, anything that's kind of backed by Ethereum. Definitely Crow. Crow is kind of attached to their own, I guess Crow would be his own blockchain, I guess. But it's definitely one that's big. It's going to be big going into 2022. You see the advertising is everywhere. You know, the Staples Center is now called Crypto.com Arena. So leave a comment down below what coins are you into. If you already invested in crypto, let's chat. Let me know what coins you're into. Let me know if you want to do a video on anything about any crypto, or you just want to keep it credit. Let me know. So I'm just going to end this right here. So you pretty much know where to buy it, how to buy it. Like I said, use my Coinbase link below to get those $10 in free Bitcoin. All right, see you next time.